Hi, today I'd like to show you my version of Ghost Riders in the Sky.
It's kind of a rockabilly version because I use that rockabilly echo with it, that sort of thing. I'm doing it in open G tuning today. You can follow the tab and do it in any tuning you want. And of course this is a G, D in the middle, high G.
Here's the demo.
I like to use this little thing I saw Roy Clark do. And there's a little bit of a trick to it. I like to use it just in between parts and for a little bit of an intro to the song instead of just jumping right in. And what it is, it's a D chord, because we're actually doing it in D minor. And what I do is I play the middle string. I'm doing like an alternating bass. So that was open, 2 on the low, and then 5 on the low. But what I do to make it sound like it's more than it is I pick the middle string, and then with these 2 fingers I pick the middle and the high string, then the low string, and then the 5. And I do a couple of those in between. I don't do the go to the 5 here every single time. So that's a neat little thing, and if you find that hard, well, you can certainly play the song without doing that. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's probably actually a little harder than the song itself. So the song starts off on the 2nd fret on the G string, low G string. Then it goes to the open D string. And there's a picking technique to the way I do this song. It's usually down, down, up. Like that. And then it goes to 2nd fret. And then the same picking technique on the 3rd fret. Then open. And then the 5th fret on the low string. Same picking technique. Down to 2. Back to 5. And then I just drop down my 3rd finger on the same fret on the middle string, and I leave the high string open. Just to fill it in a little bit. Basically that's a C chord, I guess. So I'll do that slow. And remember, it's down, down, up. And the fill-in is anything like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, let's does that again. Now we go to the high string, and then the 2nd fret, picking thing again, and then to the 3rd on the middle string, just once, and then just once on the 2nd fret on the high string. So I'll play that second line. usually go up to an actual D minor. And then we can go here or down to 2. And that's just a triplet. And twice here. Twice here. That was 7. And this is 2. So that was 3 hits here. 2 hits here. 2 hits here. And then you're going to hit it again after a very small pause. So I'll play that part for you.
And here's the next part.
Once again, there's that same rhythm. Down, down, up. Now you slide into that. Of course, you don't have to. You just play that note. So I'll play that part again. So once again, when it got to that note at first, it went down, down, up, and then the next time it goes down, up, down. As far as trickiness goes, those are the 2 main things that happen in this song. Either down, down, up, or down, up, down. That help make it sound rockabilly or western. So I'll just run through that whole verse slow. And then I usually do that at least one more time, and sometimes it's cool to go up here and do an octave higher. You just follow the tab, but make 12 as a 0. So this would be 2, 0. And you can use the same fills. A neat thing you can do as well with this kind of echo is you can do these kind of things. I didn't do it in the demo because it can be kind of messy sounding and tends to confuse people. Not to mention, pretty tough to tab. But you just find if you have that kind of rockabilly echo, that kind of stuff just works great, and you can use it anywhere to go from part A to part B. So anyway, at the end of the verse, I always go back to that little intro thing. Optional intro thing. And then for the chorus, yippee-yi-yay, very straightforward. So that's just 3. 3 hits on 3. And then over to 7. And you can put a chord in here if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. And this isn't part of the melody. I just use this run to get from part A to part B sort of thing. And now we have Ghost Riders in the Sky. Which is very straightforward. And then I go to that. And that was just D minor, and this is just an octave of that chord. Anytime you're looking to end a song, you can always just run through the various inversions of the chord. Comes in handy. Anyway, I hope you have as much fun with that song as I do. I really like that one. You have a great day.